This is a quick guide to updating the version of macOS on your Mac. First, we always want to recommend having a good backup, as typically things don't go wrong with OS updates. However, just in case, we want to make sure your data is safe. First, we're going to open Safari. And because Duke often doesn't have the most recent version of macOS approved because of security and software compatibility reasons, we are going to search for Install Older macOS here. You will see an article, How to Get Old Versions of macOS. Make sure you go to that support.apple.com link. And here you will scroll down and you will see options to download macOS. Click on the version of macOS you want to download. It will launch an App Store link. Once the App Store comes up, you will hit Get in the top right corner to download this version of macOS. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a while to download, but hit download and wait for your download to complete. Once the download completes, this will launch the installer for the newer version of macOS. And you will install this similarly to the way that you would install any normal piece of software. Just pay attention to the prompts. So for example, here hit continue, then hit agree to the terms, hit agree again, choose your drive and hit install. It's then going to ask for your password. You need to have an administrator account to install a newer version of macOS. After you insert the password, it's going to do some pre-installation tasks, which will take a few minutes. Afterwards, you will see a prompt saying it is going to restart, and you can click the restart button to speed up the process, elsewise it will take around 30 seconds. Then your computer will restart and finish the OS install. This will take between 40 minutes and an hour and a half, depending on your computer. Once this is done, your Mac will return to a login screen and you should see the background for the new OS. Thank you and have a great day.